Have you ever thought about how many innocent animals are killed by trains every year? This is not only an environmental disaster, but it can also cause serious problems for the safety of rail travel. And we can help save thousands of animals in an interesting way. Animal life and helping them is our humanity, and we should work to improve the railways. Why do you think? The train drivers are so insensitive that they don't even think for a moment to have mercy on this animal, and they move the train over it, which causes the animal to die. What do you think? How to prevent train accidents? So that the train drivers should consider being human. How can we save cows and horses or dogs, deer, bears and all kinds of animal species from the danger of trains and force the authorities, the ignorant rail drivers, to follow up and continue these types of accidents according to the law? Also, as a human being in nature, I show that we are not cruel. Can we do good things to reduce train collisions with animals? We shouldn't do our job to kill animals. Of course, there are solutions to reduce train collisions between wild and domestic animals on railway tracks. We can prevent wildlife from getting in and damaging the environment. We should build safe stairs along the railway lines. The stairs should be designed to prevent small and large animals from crossing. A tunnel or underground bridge should be built for animals to cross so that their lives are not in danger. The crossings should be built in a way that provides a safe place for them and makes animals feel safe. Using green bridges designed with natural vegetation can save animals. Using alarms and installing sensor cameras along the railway lines to detect the presence of animals. Sound alarm equipment to scare and keep animals away from the track. Trains should be designed to keep animals away from the train tracks. To reduce animals approaching the train, provide water and food sources away from the tracks. Use animal repellents around the tracks to reduce their presence. Community awareness: educate livestock farmers about the dangers of animals and their approach on the railway tracks. Train drivers should be trained to reduce speed and improve train design at sensitive points. Reducing train speed can provide more opportunity to scare or move animals away. Design trains with special aerodynamics that reduce damage when hitting animals. Measures can have positive effects on different levels. 1. Protection of endangered species, especially in areas with high biodiversity. 2. Reduction of economic costs, including train repair costs, compensation for livestock farmers and human costs. 3. Improving the public image of railway companies, demonstrating their commitment to social responsibility and environmental protection. 4. Increasing rail transport safety, reducing unexpected accidents and their consequences. Train and wagon collisions with cars, and what factors cause them to crash? Who do you think is the main culprit in these types of accidents, car drivers or train drivers? Here are a few things to remember. Which ones are consistent? 1. Failure to comply with traffic rules at railway crossings. 2. Ignoring red lights or warning signs. 3. Crossing the tracks when a train is approaching. 4. Lack of proper equipment at crossings. 5. Lack of gates or warning booms. 6. Worn warning signs. 7. Driver vision problems. 8. Technical malfunction of the vehicle on the route. 9. Getting stuck on the route due to technical malfunction or poor road conditions. 10. Excessive speed of the train or carelessness of the train driver. Can it prevent accidents? Development for car drivers: always stop before crossing a railway crossing, even if there is no train approaching. Pay attention to warning signals, lights, booms, and sirens. If your car gets stuck on the tracks, get out immediately. If a train is approaching, move away from the track and at an angle that will not hit the train tracks. Install advanced warning devices at all railway and road crossings and gates. Raise public awareness through safety campaigns. Enforce stricter laws for drivers who ignore warning signs. Finally, we conclude that the train is one of the serious challenges of rail transport and wildlife conservation that damages natural and even human ecosystems beyond the environment and economy. Finding sustainable solutions to this problem is not only our social responsibility, but also an opportunity for a better coexistence between humans and nature. A set of specific preventive and innovative technologies can lead to a reduction in these accidents. Also, increasing awareness and education of local communities and the participation of various institutions and solutions help to form a collective search for life and survival. Also, paying attention to animal habitat and creating alternative rail-train routes such as green spaces and underground tunnels can provide vital animals and transport safety at the same time. This method not only helps to reduce animal casualties, but also improves train safety, reduces economic losses and strengthens public trust in railway companies. These efforts can serve as a model for other industries and countries to take steps towards environmental protection and demonstrate that development and the environment can progress in a coordinated and complementary manner.